Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Photo Guy. So, finally, the Galaxy new smartphone S lineup, the S21, 21 Plus, and 21 Ultra is here launching. In this video, we're talking about the S21 and N21 Plus. In the next video, we're talking about the Ultra. So, with the new Ultra having the clear technological superiority, the Galaxy S21 and Plus offer to fill a smaller pocket and smaller budget. Instead, in fact, these two are a €50 cheaper than their 2020 predecessor. If you look at the 5G model, the counter cut camera and a dual tone paint job help these two stand out from the crowd. Their flat screen are similar disinactive in an age where premium equates to curved screen. These two phones are nearly twins in terms of the hardware, but their size makes them easily to tell apart, and it's exactly their size and what that entails that make them different. So we will start with what the two model have in a common. Let's get out the way. Yes, both the S21 and Plus have 1080p plus a display, a downgrade from 4040p plus resolution of the S20 series. The new panel have an adaptive refresh rate, however, which adjusts depending on the content from 48 Hz to 120 Hz. Hiding behind the display is an ultrasonic fingerprint reader that is 70% larger than last year. No, the camera is not under the display. You get a standard punch hole with the same 10 megapixel resolution as before, which bring us to the rear camera. The major upgrade here stem from the new chipset rather than the units themselves. The chip can handle three streams simultaneously, meaning you see a live preview, three cameras at the same time. The main camera used 12 megapixel sensor with a larger 1.8 pixel and a dual pixel autofocus, same as the last year. It sits behind f1.8 lens with a OIS strangely. The 12 megapixel ultra wide angle 120-degree field of view camera has not gained autofocusing abilities as the Ultra did. The 64 megapixel camera is back to serve double duty in a photo mode. It offers 3x lossless zoom and up to 30x space zoom in a video mode. It can record 8K video resolution at the same 24 fps as last year. The Samsung S21 5G has 6.2-inch screen, making it one of the more compact flagship around, and well, it has a Gorilla Glass Victus. The back gets the glass-stick treatment as if this was an A series phone. Also, battery capacity remained 4000 mAh, which did not last long on the 2020 model. This year, however, Samsung is employing two 5nm chipset and the adjustable refresh rate display to help reduce power use. The two chipset in a question are the Snapdragon 888 and Exynos 2100, of course. Once again, dividing the world into zones of exclusive availability, there are a 4G only version this time around. The good news for a Exynos land is that the two chips are fabled at the same founders and use many of the same ARM design part. The Galaxy S21 Plus 5G larger 6.7-inch screen, it is only tenths smaller than the Ultra screen, and since it's flat, it may even look larger side by side. Also, the Plus get a back panel that it's made of actual glass, and a battery upgrade to boot 4800 mAh capacity is 300 mAh than last year. In terms of charging, all three S21 model are the same. They can get 25-volt with a suitable USB power delivery charger. There are a which you have to supply yourself, no charger, little based USB-C cable in the box. Wireless charging is rated 15-watt going in, 9-watt going out. The S21 Plus has the only one other advantage over its non-pro sibling ultra wideband support. This allow for a faster local phone to phone data transfer and has direction sensing capability used with the tracking tags. Behind that, the phone are the same. They got the same memory option too, with a disappointing 8 gigs of RAM as the standard and only option Not that you need 12 gigs of RAM, but even the S10 had a 8 gigs. As for storage, you get 128 gigabytes standard and it can up to 256 gigabytes. This will be all the storage you have beast. Removing the charger, Samsung also dropped the micro SD slot again. People need more than 256 gigabytes, but there is no upside in removing the slot. The Galaxy S21 and Plus starting from a 850 euro and a 1050 euro for the S21 Plus respectively. They will be pre-ordered from tomorrow January 29 when they will be go into store. If you order before then, you will receive a pair of Galaxy Buds Live and a Samsung SmartTag for free. So this is the Galaxy S21 and 21 Plus. Let me know, are you like this smartphone, and also like the video and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll touch you later in my next video. Peace out.